Yeah.
Okay. Matter, how do you define matter? Something which has mass,
Something that occupies space.
exactly, which occupies space and which has mass. Okay, that is
Yeah.
matter, right? Matter, you can classify, you can do the physical classification or the chemical classification. So how can you classify the matter physically? Can you tell me?
So you're stuck.
No, actually, my connection is okay. You may be not having the proper signal because you are moving. Am I audible now?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, physical classification of matter. Right? You have solid, liquid, and gas. These are the three most common states of matter. You have plasma that forms at a very high temperature.
Yeah.
And what does PEC represent?
But sir, isn't plasma present only in the blood?
No, that is, yeah, in bio you have plasma, plasma, but actually at very high temperature in sun also, whenever the atom they get split into electron, proton and neutron separately because of the high temperature, that is also known as plasma. Got it?
Oh, okay.
Understood? And what is this BEC, Bose-Einstein
Yes.
condensate?
What?
BEC. It forms at a very, very low temperature, near about 0 Kelvin. Okay. But these matter will not be there in our
Yeah.
chemistry. We are going to deal mainly with these three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Got it? So solid, the properties they have fixed shape. Okay.
Yeah.
Where the volume is fixed, that you already know. That is a physical classification. So I'm not going to write the physical classification because you know already. For the solid, liquid, and gas,
Yeah.
you have studied in your junior classes. Got it?
Yeah.
Now the chemical classification. In chemical classification, matter you need to know whether it is pure or impure.
So what does
Got it?
pure and impure actually mean in chemistry?
Yeah, it means that suppose if you have just one type of element, okay, if you have just one type of substance, one type of particle, nothing mixed into it, that is called pure form of matter.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so every time do you have a pure form of matter, or is it mixed with something else? Tell me.
What? Can you repeat?
Every time do you have a pure form, or is it mixed with something else? Is it the mixture? You can have both. Okay, either you can have pure, either you can have pure form of the matter, or you can have mixtures. Okay, you can have both of them. Yeah, your voice is cracking actually. Just a second. In pure form, you have mixtures. In mixture, you know that there are two things mixed together. Got it?
Sorry, so there was a network problem actually.
Yeah. Am I audible now? Okay. So I was telling that the matter can be pure or it can be impure. Got it? In the impure
Yeah.
form of matter, it can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Impure means mixture. Got it?
Okay.
So impure means two things are mixed together, and it could be homogeneous and heterogeneous. Can you give me some examples of homogeneous form of matter?
What? So can you repeat?
Homogeneous form of matter. What should I write here? Example.
Right. Is there like basically solid, liquid, or any gaseous forms of
Yeah.
stuff?
Yeah. Impure form means two things are mixed together. Okay. And they are like mixtures. Okay. It could be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous is actually solutions. In solutions, you are having, or you can call them true solutions. For example, salt solution. Am I audible, Maha? Can you hear me? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Can you hear my voice also clearly?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So what I was telling is, I have stopped my video because you are traveling, so it will you so that you can hear, look at the class more easily. Otherwise, if you switch on the video, it is going to consume the data, and your class will the voice will not which you hear, that will break. Got it? Yeah. So pure substances. Okay. So pure substances and impure substances. Okay. Impure substances are mixtures. Okay. Homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is salt solution, sugar solution.
Okay.
Got it? And they are true solution. The particle size is very small, so you can't see the particles. Okay. And heterogeneous. Yeah.
So what are solutions to it?
What about? Yeah, I'm not able to hear voice.
What?
Uh, am I audible?
Yeah. It's just the network over here. It's problem.
Yeah. Okay. So heterogeneous solution, can you give me some examples?
Sand.
Sand and salt. Is it homogeneous or heterogeneous? Tell me. It is heterogeneous because the particles don't mix.
Be heterogeneous because like
Yeah,
water, sand plus water.
yeah, exactly. Sand plus water. Yes, absolutely correct. Okay, the pure form of matter. Okay, uh, pure form of matters means nothing is mixed. Okay, and you have in the pure form of matter you have elements and compounds. Element consists of only one type of atoms, right?
Yeah.
And the compounds consist of, for example, elements like helium, neon, argon. Only one type of atom. It is nothing is mixed. It is a pure form. Got it?
Okay.
In compound that is also pure. The two or more elements are chemically combined with each other.
Okay. But won't that make it impure or something? Because more than one atom.
Yeah, exactly. Your question is genuine. Look, in this case, the impure form is like this. You have two types of particles. Got it? In compounds, for example, H2O, H2O, H2O. So you have only one type of particle. Which are molecules of the same type.
But then oxygen is different, hydrogen is different.
Yeah, oxygen, but they are not separated. I'm not taking this. Is it like this? This is a mixture.
Yeah.
Is it like this? Or you have just one type of particles in water, which are chemically combined with each other. Elements are chemically combined.
Yeah.
Understood the difference? Look at this. This is the mixture. And look at this water. Got it? Combined to form, right? And elements, that is clear to you. Suppose sodium is there, okay? Oxygen is there, nitrogen is there. That is pure form. Okay. When you mix the two elements together, when you mix it, you get a mixture. But when you chemically react them, okay, you get a compound. Got my point or not?
Yeah.
So compounds are formed when two or more elements bind with each other. Okay.
Okay.
So this basic difference you should know, whether you have a mixture, whether you have a molecule, whether you have an element. Okay. So first thing which you might have studied in the last class is atomic mass.
Yeah.
Okay, atom you must have studied. So atom, suppose if I take sodium atom, right? What it indicates? What this 11 indicates? What this indicates? Tell me.
But they want two numbers.
Pardon?
No, like in the last class during the calculation, I know that the average weight of it is the upper number, like 23, but the down part, I'm not aware of it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I will explain. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
Atomic number. This is equal to number of protons equal
Oh,
to number of. So now you understood. Okay. And this is the atomic mass.
the which one is the atomic mass?
The upper one. The higher should, the which is placed top at the top is mass.
Oh, okay.
It is the sum of protons and neutrons. Got it?
Yeah.
So sodium 11 protons, and because there is no charge, so 11 electrons. Okay. And how many neutrons will be there?
So can you repeat?
How many neutrons are there? Are you getting my point?
Yeah, yeah.
Got it? Right?
Yeah,
So I will draw the
yeah.
sodium atom for you. Okay. So there are 11 protons. How many are there? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 protons. Okay. And you have neutrons. How many neutrons are there? 12. So what is the charge on nucleus? This is the nucleus. Got it?
Yeah.
So this is the nucleus which has 12 proton, that 11 protons and 12 neutrons. Okay.
Okay.
Here, and because the sodium is neutral, so there will be electrons. Electrons, some of the electrons will be equal to how many? How many electrons will be there? Electrons are negatively charged. Protons are positively charged. And electrons and protons are equal to the atomic number. So 11 electrons and 11 protons are there. Got it? But protons are there in the nucleus.
Yes.
The electrons are,
11 electrons, right?
yeah, 11 electrons. They are revolving around the nucleus.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So you have two electrons, then you have 8 electrons, 10, and there is one electron, 11th electron is there. Yeah. Got it?
Okay.
If you have a mass, if you, so the mass of an atom is due to, It is mainly due to is it mainly due to protons? Is it is it mainly due to neutrons only? Is it mainly due to protons plus neutrons? Or is it mainly due to
See, right? Protons and neutrons.
protons and neutrons? The mass of the electrons is negligible. Got it?
Yeah.
So, what is the mass of a single proton or neutron? Can you tell me? What is the mass of single proton or neutron?
What? I don't know.
Okay. So there is a unit to measure the mass, and that unit is very small. It is approximately 1 unit mass.
Okay.
One atomic mass unit.
Okay.
So it is known as approximately. This is the sign for approximation 1 AMU. This is the mass. This is the unit to measure the mass of protons and neutrons.
Yeah.
Or you can call it as 1U. Got it?
Yes.
Similarly, the mass of an electron, mass of a neutron is also approximately 1U, nearly 1U. Okay.
Okay.
Mass of electron is negligible. Got it?
Yes.
Right? So you consider only sum of protons and neutrons. Understood?
Yeah.
So what is the mass of sodium atom now? Yeah, what it will be?
It was like 23.
23. And what is the unit? Is it 23 kgs?
U.
Yeah, exactly. Very good. 23 grams, 23 U.
23
What it
U.
is? It is U. Because it is a very, 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 very small unit. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So electron mass is not considered. Only the mass of, you have only the mass of protons and neutrons is considered. Got it?
Okay.
So I am giving you some examples of some atoms and ions. You need to tell me how many electrons and protons and neutrons are there in them. Okay.
Okay.
So let me write the sodium again, but this is Na plus. So you need to tell me P, you need to tell me N, you need to tell me number of electron, and you need to tell me the mass, atomic mass.
Atomic mass is 23. Then the protons will be 11 and electrons also will be 11 and then neutrons will be 12.
Yes, and electrons will be,
11.
look here what it is. This is +1, +2, +3.
Yeah.
How much the charge is?
What?
What is the charge here? Is it +1, +2, +3?
Plus.
Plus,
Plus 1. Plus 11.
yeah. So actually in a neutral atom, proton and electron were equal. So +11 and -11 was being balanced. But in this case, one electron has been removed. So just 10 electrons. Got it?
Oh, okay.
What is the atomic
Yeah.
mass? That is going to remain
23.
same, or will it decrease or increase by the removal of electron?
Increase.
No, it
So
will
it
remain same.
decrease.
It will remain
Oh,
same,
okay.
nearly same, because the electron masses are negligible. Got it? I will write and show
Yeah.
you the value also. Later you will realize, oh, no need to consider the electrons for calculation of masses. Got it?
Okay.
So suppose if I write, this is which element?
Helium.
Exactly. So how many protons are there?
2 protons.
Very good.
2 neutrons and then everything is 200.
And how many electrons?
2.
Two electrons were there. If you have this, I am writing this.
Okay.
Have you understood what I'm trying to say?
Yeah. Supposed to minus it if there's
Yeah.
plus and then with the number if it's 2
So
or split.
yeah, got it. And the what is the atomic mass of helium
4.
ion? You know this is known as alpha particle.
Yeah.
Is also known by this. So it is 4U. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it? So let's consider some other atom. Okay, and let's say we have a chlorine. Its atomic number is 17, 35, and minus. Chloride ion. Where you see chloride ion?
What?
Where you find chloride ion? Tell me.
Salts?
Yeah, exactly. The salt which we eat, it is there in our body also.
Yeah.
You are going to study the role of NaCl in biology because you have taken bio and maths together, right?
No, I haven't taken maths.
Okay, you have maths. So the plan for taking bio is now dropped, or you are still
No,
continuing?
I'm taking bio only. I'm taking BPC. No
Yeah.
maths.
Okay. 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 Good. So we will have separate. So you will be pursuing NEET, right?
Yeah.
So we will be having a separate classes for NEET also. Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
So tell me how many protons are there in chloride ion?
So 17 protons, and then
Yeah.
electrons also will be the same number, right? 17, and then neutrons will be
No.
18.
Electrons are negatively charged. Are the electrons and protons same, or are the electrons more, or are the protons more? Look at the charge.
Electron,
Now, electron is one more than proton.
yeah.
So how many electrons are there? Got it?
Yeah.
That's why, because one extra electron, that's why you have a negative charge. Understood?
Okay.
You have no one negative charge. Why? Because you have one more electron. If you have positive charge, means electrons are less. Got it?
Yeah.
And how many neutrons are there?
Since supposed to be 18,
Yeah, 18. Exactly. What is the mass? Atomic
35.
mass? 35 U. Got it?
Yeah.
Let's talk about aluminium. It is the 13th element of the periodic table.
Yes.
So now tell me.
Protons will be 13,
Yeah.
neutrons 14, and then electrons also will be 13. So no, wait. Sorry,
Electrons
10.
are more or
Electrons will
less?
be 10,
Yes. Very good. Very good. Yeah.
and then the mass will be 27.
Yeah. The mass will be 27 U. Okay.
Yeah.
Clear? This is the atomic mass of a single atom.
Okay.
If you write U, it is the mass of a single atom or ion. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, atomic mass is clear.
Yeah.
Okay. But somebody may come and tell you, I don't know what is U. Okay. Somebody
What?
may somebody may come and ask you, what is this the U which we are using every time?
Smallest unit.
Yeah. Somebody may tell you that what is U? It is the unit to measure the masses of atoms.
Atom.
But somebody may tell you, okay, if it is the unit of mass, tell me how much is it going to be? Tell me how much is it going to be in grams? What its value will be
Use value is like one only, right? Approximately.
in terms of grams, because ultimately grams is the, got it?
Okay.
And how do you define it? What's the definition? We know it is atomic mass unit. So
Yeah.
IUPAC defined it. Got it?
Yeah.
Take one carbon atom, measure it. Is it possible to do that? This is the balance. What it mass going to be? 1/12 of the mass of C12 isotope means 1/12 of 12. Got it? It is just a definition, right? Its value is going to be,
What the average atomic mass?
no, that we will come to it later. Okay. First, somebody may ask you that, tell, how do you define exactly what is U? What is the IUPAC
So,
definition?
sir, can you repeat this carbon one?
Yeah. I'm repeating that only. So somebody may ask you,
Got left out.
yeah, don't worry. Okay, we will discuss each and everything. So somebody may tell you that what is the IUPAC definition of U?
Okay.
So then you need to give the IUPAC definition, though it is not used. But if it comes in exam, then you are going to write it is 1/12 of the mass of carbon 12 atom. So you take a single atom of carbon, you measure its mass, you divide it by 12. So whatever the value you get, that is 1U. Okay. 1U is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. It is a very small value. Are you getting my point? Look at it.
So, how did you get that?
Yeah, it is actually 1/12 of the mass of, look, Got it?
Okay.
So there is a method of mass spectroscopy by which you can measure the mass of a single atom of carbon.
Yeah.
You put that. Got it?
Yeah.
And you divide it by 12. Understood? This is just a definition. If,
Okay.
so 1U is 1/12 of 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. This is the mass of a single carbon atom.
Okay.
Got it?
I mean, you can multiply 1.99 into 100 on also the denominator and then
Yeah,
divide.
exactly. So no need to do the calculation. You will get this value, but you need to remember,
Oh, okay.
because somebody may tell you that I don't understand what is U. You tell me what is the
Okay.
mass in terms of grams. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Somebody may say no, like this.
Yeah.
Or every time, but it is comfortable for us to do it in U, right?
Yeah.
For us, it is comfortable, but somebody may tell you, no, 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 I want it in grams. Okay.
Okay.
So then you have to give that person the mass of that atom in grams only.
Okay.
So find the mass of single atom of helium. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
So the answer is, what could be the answer?
Like
See,
1/12 of like within the
yeah.
mass of.
No, no, no. What every that is the definition. Don't say the definition until unless it is asked. Got it?
uh,
So you are going to say two things for you. That is the simplest way. Okay.
Yeah.
Other thing is, some in grams, how much it is going to be, put the value of U. Got it?
Okay.
Look, it is so small.
Yeah.
So which is more convenient to use? This one or this one? More
The
easy
upper
to
one,
handle.
right? Because we don't have to multiply it.
Yeah. This one is more easy, no?
Yeah.
Because suppose if somebody asks me, I will tell, okay, for you. This is known as absolute mass. Got it?
Okay.
This is the reality. Okay, but it is very difficult to write every time. So difficult. Okay, every time to remember also it is very difficult.
Yeah.
So what we did, we remembered the value of U. So if somebody asks you the absolute mass, you will give the value of U and tell that person, okay, put the value of U and calculate it. Got it?
Okay.
That is more easy way. Instead of every time writing it like this, okay, this is going to be more easier way to do. Okay, so let me
Okay.
end the class today. Okay,
Okay.
and
Sir,
yeah,
so can you please like send the this notes on WhatsApp?
it will be there in the recorded lecture. You can just go through it. I will and take the screenshot. In
Oh
case
yeah.
if any
Okay.
problem, I will give it to you. Okay, no problem with that. Okay. So I hope you
Okay.
understood
Thank
the
you.
class, right?
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.
Thank you.